Hello. How y'all doing, my lovelies? How y'all doing? It's your girl Sauce Comfort. Welcome back to my channel. I have been MIA for a minute or so, but I am back. And to show you that I'm sorry for bailing on you for almost a month, I am bringing you these. So before we continue, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and please do comment on any of my videos, especially this video. Today I am going to be showing you how to make coconut cupcakes with a passion fruit curd. Just look at how lovely these are. So pull up a chair, sit down, and let's bake some cupcakes. But before we start this video, I am going to show you how these cupcakes look on the inside. And look at that beautiful curd on the inside. Do you see that? Just look at that. Let me taste these for you. Look. Oh, this looks amazing. Oh my god. That's like an orgasm in the mouth. Oh my god. That curd. Oh, and the coconut. Oh, I feel like I'm somewhere in the tropics. Oh, this is so good. You will definitely want to bake these. Just look at that curd. Oh my god. Wait, let me eat this. Oh, hallelujah. Anytime I cook or bake, I make sure that I have all my ingredients in front of me, weighed, measured, all of that, so that I don't forget anything. And we're going to start. Number one, we're going to roast some coconut flakes. It's always good to roast them so that the flavors can intensify. I have the coconut flakes right here in front of me. Put them in a pan, put the heat on high. Make sure the pan is really hot and just use that heat to roast the flakes. You want them nice and brown but not burnt. I always have to say that. Brown but not burnt. Some people love to burn things, so don't burn them, okay? That is beautiful. Just look at it. I'm going to add some butter in a bowl. And go some sugar. And now mix. I'm going to add in my eggs. Next, I'm going to add my flavors. I have half a teaspoon of coconut essence. That will help our cupcakes taste really coconutty. I don't know how else to explain that. I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of caramel essence, or a little bit more. I love the flavor of caramel and coconut. There was this yogurt I was addicted to that was caramel and coconut. So when I started making these cupcakes, I decided to infuse those two flavors. Next, we're going to add our dry ingredients. I have some flour, some salt, and some baking powder. As you have realized, I'm not mentioning the measurements, and that is because the recipe, the entire recipe with the measurements, the ingredients, will be on the description bar below. So make sure you just scroll. Come on now, scroll. Yes, scroll down there and you'll find all the measurements that you'll need for these cupcakes. Next, we're going to add some whole coconut milk. Our last ingredients is those coconut flakes. We've just added our last ingredient, which is the coconut flakes. Time to put this in the oven. Use an ice cream scoop to scoop your cupcake batter. This is the easiest way to do this. This is how I love my bowl. I love it clean. Please do me a favor and just sooner make sure that bowl is clean. These are now going to go in the oven for about 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Keep checking them so that they do not burn. You do not want burnt cupcakes.
Meanwhile,
Before we get to juicing, we're going to taste this. Just look at that. Ooh, ooh, I love passion fruit. Once that's done, we are going to whisk this and get all the juices out. I just realized that I should have kept some of these seeds to decorate the cupcakes. So let me scoop a few out of there. I need 125 grams of juice. If you do not have this kind of sugar, just take your regular sugar and blend it. I need 125 grams. We are going to cook our curd, but we are not going to cook it in a pan. We are going to cook it the bain-marie way, which means giving it a heat bath. Warm some water. Make sure you warm some water. And what we are going to do is we are going to keep mixing this, because in here we are going to add some eggs, and we do not want to cook our eggs, which is kind of tricky. I must admit, it is a bit tricky. We need some egg yolks, so 2 large eggs and 4 egg yolks. And then add them to your mixture, and we're going to keep whisking and whisking until it gets to about 82 degrees. There are some things that I make or cook in the kitchen that take a lot of time, but once it's made, it is so worth the effort. How do you have a bake day and you do not have enough butter? That is just. Oh no, I have 148, 114, 150. We're going to switch that off, take it off the heat. Look at it. Beautiful, glossy passion fruit curd. You can spread this on. I've already told you how I'm going to use this, so I need it to cool down. And then we are going to get our cupcakes out of the oven because they're done. We're going to transfer this. Take a cling foil. Cover that. Then lay it over your card. You want it to cool down. You do not want a crust forming over your card, okay? And there you go. Passion fruit card. This is going to go in the freezer for about 10 minutes. I want it to cool down haraka haraka. Sina time ya kuharibu, okay? This is gold coloring. I've added that to the whipped cream. Some of the cupcakes are going to be red and some gold or yellowish. Put that in the piping bag. I almost forgot our passion fruit card. Get a hole in the center. Then I'm going to take a Ziploc bag and cut a hole. And this is what I'm going to use to put the card in the center. The cupcakes have been filled with the curd, so we are going to start piping some whipped cream. I'm not completely mixing in the red because I also want that white to come through. When it comes to decorating, it's all about what you prefer, what you love. I'm going to add some fruit and also some candy. So a few strawberries here and there. Throw in a marshmallow. Leave it up. This is your party and you decide how you want your cakes to look like. Do not be afraid of using the coconut flakes that you roasted earlier on. Personally, for decorating, I love the shavings more. They just add that oomph to the cakes, but use the flakes if you want to. There you go. They look so good. Ah, mam kutuanga hizi zinakaa vizuri kuliko zile zingine. Ni kama zinauzwa.
Sasa la nimwambie akuje basi.
Lazima niwaeke sasa. Well, my lovelies, here we are. Coconut cupcakes with a passion fruit curd and just some whipped cream on top. You can use buttercream if you want to. Use whatever kind of frosting that you prefer. I prefer whipped cream and they look amazing. They look so good. Thank you so much for watching. It's been your girl Sal's Comfort. I do hope you keep subscribing. Share this recipe with your friends. Make them like the video and also share the video if they want to. And as usual, live, laugh, love my people and eat some cupcakes. Ciao, ciao.